How to report a wrong route into GIS. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can report a wrong route into GIS. So how do you do this? The first step is to launch the GIS app on your mobile phone. Then the next step is to select the route that you would like to report. So after selecting the route, you can see more details about the route, and then by the bottom part of the screen you can see three options which says route, favorite, share. So click on route. So by clicking on route, you can see more details. Then the next step is to pull up this box below. Then you see the option for you to report an error. So select that. Then you can see different options for reporting this route, which says I know a better route, incorrect route time, order. So if the reason for reporting the route is not here, you can click on order and then type out your comment exactly that the route is wrong. All right. Then if you have a photo, you can use it to support your claim, click on send, and then your report will be submitted. Once your report is reviewed, updates will be made to the directory once verified. So there you have it. This is how you can report a wrong route into GIS. Thank you for watching and have a good day.